Wherever engines provide motion, Alfing crankshafts play a crucial role. Crankshafts are our core competence and our passion, and have been for more than 100 years. Maschinenfabrik Alfing Kessler is the specialist for this key component of the internal combustion engine. 1,250 motivated staff work in Aalen in 3 business areas. As a successful and independent family-owned business, the Maschinenfabrik Alfing Kessler is able to react very flexibly. We think long-term and are first and foremost concerned with our customers. Join us on a short tour. You won't have seen crankshafts like these before. Our know-how is the sum of the experience gained in making more than 250 different types of large crankshaft every year. We have been supplying leading engine manufacturers on every continent for decades. We forge large crankshafts up to around 4.5 meters in length in our closed-die forge shop. Our dies are created using cutting-edge technology. Precision craftsmanship applies the finishing touches. Throw-by-throw forging is used for large crankshafts between 4.5 and 8 meters in length. The forging process demands a great deal of experience. The spindles are transformed into forgings using a press force of 3,500 tons. Pre- and intermediate machining is performed on powerful CNC turning milling machines with integrated process measurement. Surface treatment, such as induction hardening or stroke peening, increases the strength of the crankshaft. We achieve the highest levels of precision using machines designed specifically for us. Tolerances of as little as 1/1000th of a millimeter can be achieved. Maschinenfabrik Alfing Kessler is entitled to carry out its own classification inspection in-house. Preservation and packaging take place in the clean room. The crankshafts leave our factory ready to be installed. New crankshafts are developed together with our customers as part of a simultaneous engineering exercise. Alfing expertise, from the idea through the prototype to a ready-to-install series shaft. All services are provided in-house. All production is carried out on our premises. Research, simulation, material analyses and different fatigue testing methods are perfectly interlocked. Our torsional and bending test benches reveal the strength of the components. Crankshaft prototypes of all sizes are created quickly in separate development and production areas.
Auf diese Maschine können wir dann Radien auch härten?
Simultaneous engineering allows the performance, cost and design of a crankshaft to be refined before production commences. Induction hardening improves the performance of crankshafts. We supply a number of ranges of innovative and modular hardening machines. Our hardening machines are optimized in terms of flexibility, investment and their power and space requirements. More than 500 hardening machines are in use across the globe. Know-how for the benefit of all our customers. Besides, it's not all about heat, so let's speed things up. We produce top-quality crankshafts on flexible production lines. Gantry loaders and robots help us to implement highly automated production processes. Premium crankshafts of the highest quality, produced flexibly and efficiently. Employing series production methods enables Maschinenfabrik Alfing Kessler to satisfy all its customers wherever they are, just in time. The crankshaft is set to remain at the heart of the internal combustion engine. Engineering knowledge, experience and production know-how go hand in hand at Maschinenfabrik Alfing Kessler. Expertise is not acquired by chance. It's important to us that the young people in our company receive a fundamental education. As you know, we think long-term. Maschinenfabrik Alfing Kessler has been a byword for expertise, high expectations and commitment for over 100 years.